Okay, so we're going to talk about how your adversary can geolocate you when you are using a mobile network. As we mentioned previously, if there are Wi-Fi access points around you, which there are in many places, these Wi-Fi access points can be used to help locate you. If they know your MAC address and they are connected to one of these location networks that are based on access points, they will be able to pretty accurately locate you. But if your MAC is changing or random, this won't work. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other wireless technologies for this reason should be disabled. The next method is through the cellular network itself. And this relates to your signal strength relative to the local cell towers. You have something called cell identification, which is the least accurate method of geolocation by the cellular network, i.e. they can put you in cell number X. You have triangulation, which is a moderately accurate way, which is the strength of the signal between 3 points. And the newer forward link timing methods are the most accurate. Anyone with control of the mobile network can do this. You can get sent a silent SMS from the mobile operator or anyone who has access to it to help locate you and determine what tower you're connected to. If your adversary is able to install software, malware, or has control of some of the software that you have installed, they can use information that is available to that device. Now, if it's a dongle, that is not very much, but if it's a mobile phone, that has quite a lot. Things like cell ID, next cell ID, round trip time, the signal strength, plus the most accurate location information is possibly available, and that is the GPS coordinates. Again, available in a mobile phone, not in a dongle. This, for example, is the Platform Location API within Android. And then you have hybrid systems that can try to use all this information together, like what Google Maps does, which can locate you extremely accurately. Obviously, your adversary would need access to that. As you probably know, GPS locates you to within a few meters. This should obviously be switched off, and all apps that could send location information be disabled. This is why I don't recommend even using a phone to connect to the internet. A router and a 3G, 4G dongle doesn't have GPS or applications that you need to disable. Assuming that the cellular network is all that can locate you and track you, then this is accurate roughly to within about a city block. But it really depends on many factors, including the techniques that are used. But once they have your general location, once that is established, direction finding technology could be deployed to more accurately locate you. Today, that could be a drone, a plane, but typically it's a person who has to wander around looking at the strength of the signal in order to determine where you are. If you're moving around, this can make it harder. An FYI, you probably do know, but you cannot be tracked by the GPS satellite network itself. You only receive signals from it. It's only when your mobile device receives those GPS signals and then transmits the location to someone that you can get tracked by GPS. So the GPS satellite network cannot track you. We only receive signals from it. You can create separation between your connection to the mobile network by using a repeater. The repeater connects to the mobile network, your mobile device connects to the repeater, and when they locate you, they're going to locate the repeater. You could use this in order to create distancing and to mitigate that geolocation. So that's mobile and cellular network, phone, privacy, security, and anonymity.